All right, good afternoon, everybody. Frankie here with a weather update, an urgent weather update here for Oklahoma. Is much of central and eastern Oklahoma under an enhanced and moderate risk for severe weather this afternoon. Um, it includes the potential for tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and also even flash flooding. So I'll go to the next frame here. And this is the probability of a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. And in that red hatched area, that is where there's a 15% probability of very large, long track, violent tornadoes. And surrounding that, there's a 10%. But anywhere in that little hatched area across eastern central Oklahoma and very northern part of Texas, just north of Dallas, there is the potential for strong tornadoes, EF2 or greater, significant tornadoes possible, especially in Oklahoma. Next, we go to the wind probabilities. There's a very high chance of damaging winds in these storms. If there's not tornadoes, there's going to be damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour across much of Oklahoma there. Oklahoma City points eastward, expected to see the greatest threat. Again, in the hatched area, that is where significant damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 miles per hour will be possible. Lastly, here's the hail probability. We'll see the greatest hail threat early on in these storms, so it's more across southwest Oklahoma in that hatched area, golf ball or larger hail being possible. Then in the red 30% area, we could see up to golf ball size hail in those areas. So here's the future radar, starting with now at the beginning there, going through this afternoon. You can see these storms just exploding across central and eastern Oklahoma. Let me zoom into the Oklahoma City metro area right there, and you can see there's supercells everywhere. Uh, More Oklahoma, who seems to get hit by tornadoes quite frequently, um, could be right under the gun. And there's Boeing segments in here that indicate the potential for very strong damaging winds as well. So that's really all I have right now. Everybody needs to stay tuned, be on your guard. If you're across central eastern Oklahoma, um, you do have a high tornado and damaging wind threat this afternoon with a moderate severe weather risk in place.